So you click onto the clock. So it comes up where world clock is the first one. So you can pick what ones, as you can see, the daylight means they're in daylight and nighttime means they're in night. So if you hit this plus in the top corner, you can pick load. Let's do Amsterdam, Netherlands. So click on it, then it just adds here and that shows you where it is. If you want to edit it, you just hit this edit and you can hit this button and it removes. You also have an alarm, so you can hit this plus button. So repeat every, like we could just do, so if you choose like every Monday, so every Monday it will repeat at that time. But if you choose nothing, it will just do once. Okay. So save that, so then if you hit this, that means on there you can set a timer, so 21 minutes. When timer ends, what sound it does. And then just hit start. And it starts your timer, or like you start it if you're cooking. You can set stopwatches, like if you want it for 10 minutes, 10 seconds, so you can set a stopwatch, wait on it, 10 seconds, take it out of the oven. So you can start, reset it, you can hit lap, so that basically means 3 minutes, split it.